Next, install your eave purlin bracket, connecting it to the top of your column. The exact location of the bracket is listed in the installation manual. Also, install any lean-to brackets or connector clips for your column. Make sure that a lean-to exists at the column before installing components. In the example shown, an angle bracket is used to connect the lean-to to the main building. However, the lean-to connection will most likely vary. For exact installation details, please see your engineering plans and installation manual. At this time, you can also install mezzanine brackets if a mezzanine is to be installed at that column.